are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures market performance for Wednesday, March 18, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 22,789.64 basis points with a market capitalization of 11.876 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by 1.09%. In an interesting development, the equities closed midweek on the bullish zone as investors gained 128.49 billion naira, erasing the previous 2 days' loss in the week. At the close of trading, market recorded 19 gainers to 14 losers. The top 3 gainers were Lasako Assurance, MTN Nigeria Communications, and Oando PLC, while Sterling Bank, Chams, and Okomu Oil Palm were among the top losers. In terms of trade volumes, Guaranty Trust Bank, Zenith Bank, and Access Bank were the top players. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 683.8 basis points with a market capitalization of 501.77 billion. Volume of shares traded was 5,100 and the value traded 15,150 in 2 deals executed. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 29 trillion naira, the NAFEX rate closed at 368 naira 17 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 368 naira 42 kobo and closed at 368 naira 2 kobo to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on the screen. For the key highlights from yesterday, the federal government of Nigeria announced the suspension of the visa on arrival policy until further notice. Also, with 5 new coronavirus cases discovered in the country, the federal government placed travel restrictions on the following 13 countries that have recorded over 1,000 incidence cases so far. The countries are China, Iran, South Korea, Germany, Italy, USA, UK, Switzerland, Norway, Netherlands, Spain, France, and Japan. The federal government is also temporarily suspending all visas issued to nationals from these countries. Nigerians arriving from these countries will be subjected to supervised isolation for 14 days. For the key market and economic events to watch, the Nigerian British Chamber of Commerce will hold its March breakfast meeting discussing the theme Nigerian Women and the Digital Economy, with the following panelists: Dr. Mrs. Omobola Johnson, Senior Partner Telcom Capital, Professor Olayinka David West, Academic Director, Lagos Business School, and Abisoye Ajayi Akifolarin, Founder Pearl Africa Foundation. The session will be moderated by Folusho Gbadamosi, the Business Director, Process and Technology, Prime Atlantic Group. Also, the Senate Committee on Capital Markets and other related institutions, led by His Excellency Senator Ibikunle Amosun, will visit the Nigerian Stock Exchange to engage dealing members and also interact with the management of the exchange. Apart from the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the Senate Committee will also visit the FMDQ Securities Exchange to also engage the management and explore areas of improving legislation that will deepen the Nigerian capital market ecosystem. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Connect with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. The ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a pleasant day.